Hello everyone, welcome to Gunitech Solutions. In case you are new here, my name is Abdullah Sani, and today I'll be showing you how to create a multilingual website. That is how to add up multiple languages to your website. So without wasting much of our time, please let's dive into the deal of the day. So I already have a finished website. This is the site that I just completed, and I want to add up multi-language to this website. So first thing first, we need to go into the dashboard area. So I'll just go to the dashboard area now. We need a plugin. So by the left hand side, you're going to see plugins. So I'll click on plugins. Then we need a particular plugin that will help us do this job. So I'll go to add new plugin. So the name of the plugin I'll be using today is G Translate. So I'll search for G Translate. It's actually a free plugin. So G Translates, G Translates, search for it. Translates, G Translate. So this is actually the plugin that we're going to use to achieve this. So you can see we have G Translate WordPress with G Translate. So I'll just click on install now. Click on install now. So a plugin is actually what adds up functionalities to your website. So in this case, we need multilingual websites. We need to add up multiple languages to our website. So to achieve that, we need a plugin called G Translate. So it has been installed. Next is activate. So I'll click on the activate button. Okay, the activation process is currently on. Yeah, so the plugin has been activated. So just navigate to settings. I'll go to settings. Under settings, you see the G Translate. So click on G Translate. So we just need to do some few settings here. So with get look, yes, we'll leave it on float. Then let's see, show floating languages selection. You can see the preview here. This is actually how we need it. So just come down. Where do we want this plugin to appear? Okay, so we'll just click here and give it bottom. This is where I need it. So I'll click on bottom. I need it to be at the bottom. Then open direction. No, it should be top. Yes. Bottom left. Yes. I need it to be at the bottom left of my website. So if it means if I go back to, let's select the languages first. So I need to just select the languages that I need. Okay, I need by default we have Arabic, French, English, Igbo, Hausa, yes, Yoruba. And let me add up one language, Hindi. Yeah, let's add up Hindi. Then which other language do we need to add up here? So you can see we have so many languages here that we need to add up. So you can just pick anyone you feel like adding up. So for me, I think this is cool. So I'll just click on save changes. Okay, click on save changes. Now let's navigate to the website to see. So I'll just right click and open in a new link. Yeah, so this is the site. You can see I selected bottom left. So you can see if I click on it here, it's going to list out the list of languages that I've selected. So if I want to change the whole website to from English to, let's say, Arabic, let's test Arabic to see. So it means the whole content of this website will be translated to Arabic. As you can see, all the content will be translated to whatever language the user sets it to be. So let's change it from Arabic to something like Hindi. Hindi is from, I think, Indian language. So you can see it has been translated from from Arabic to Hindi. This is Hindi actually. Now let's change this to something like Hausa, for example. So we can, sorry, this is Yoruba, I need Hausa. So I'll change this from Hindi to Hausa. Yes. So you can see the whole content of the website has been translated to Hausa, the entire website. Wow, this is great. This is a very powerful plugin. It's actually a very powerful plugin, and you can see the whole process is very easy. So guys, that is how to actually achieve this. So let me change it back to English. So I'll just click on the button and select English. So you can see the website has been taken back to the default, that is English language. So this plugin is a very powerful tool that you can use to add up multiple languages to your website. So I believe you're able to get value from this video. If actually you're able to do that, please help me. What I just need for you to help me with is just subscribe and like the video and also share. Alright, so that will be it for now. See you some other time. Bye.